On the next exciting episode of Dano's Life is computer maintenance. How dirty your computer can get. So what we're going to do today is try to get rid of some of the dirt which accumulates in a computer. There's the inside of your cover. And today what we're going to be using is air from our teeny tiny little shop compressor. This is our teeny tiny little shop compressor. Now you see there's a gauge here that tells us how much pressure we have. I'm going to transfer the air from inside the tank to the hose so that we have access to all of that air. This is the air hose. And this is our blow tool. Can you see it all right? Now you're probably not going to think there's going to be much dirt in this computer. You may want to step back a little for this because I've just cleaned out the power supply. It fits outside of the case. And the rest of this we can wipe down once we reassemble the computer. I'm not recommending you try this at home, but if you want to keep your computer going, you can use a vacuum cleaner that blows out, and do not do this in the house. The dust is much more than you're going to expect, but you get that all cleaned out and you're good for a couple of years. And as you can see, we have the desktop back together and everything is functioning as planned. So we'll call that a success.